Learning English after Khmer New Year.
How was your New Year, Kakado?
It was great.
Where did you go, and what did you do?
I went to my hometown to meet my relatives. We went to pagodas and played traditional games. And you, Tola?
I just stayed at home and went to pagodas. But I also joined roadside powder smearing and water splashing with my water gun.
Yes, I played like that too. And I still want to play more.
Me too, but we need to wait until next year. Yes. So sad. Let's go to class.
Vocabulary: powder smearing, water splashing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.